Meaning of division.
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 Division. Division is a mathematical operation that involves the splitting of a quantity into equal parts. In division, a number called the dividend is divided by another number called the divisor, resulting in a quotient. The quotient represents the number of times the divisor can be divided into the dividend without leaving a remainder. Division is used in a wide range of mathematical and real-world applications, such as calculating ratios, finding averages, and dividing resources among groups. It is a fundamental operation in arithmetic and is essential for solving many mathematical problems across different fields.